I'm meteorologist Cindy O'Quinn with your Citizen Florida Tropical Outlook. And as we're looking at the Atlantic Ocean, the National Hurricane Center has highlighted one area of gradual possible development this week. Now, still at a low chance, but this is right off the coast of Africa. And usually we do start to see some systems developing right along this line. In fact, as we look at the satellite radar for this, you can see just over the last 24 hours, we're starting to see a little bit more development of some of these showers and thunderstorms moving along this latitude line of 10 degrees north. So one thing we're going to be keeping an eye on. Now, one factor that sometimes can delay or sort of pull systems apart is a shear status or a shear factor. But what we're watching right along this line is not really expecting any of that, at least until it gets closer to the Caribbean. So again, things are looking pretty good if this system should develop over the next 5 days. Now, moisture-wise, pretty dry to the north of there, but right along that line, you see plenty of moisture. As we head back into the state of Florida, we're actually a little bit on the drier side for today. Ridge of high pressure is still dominating. That's going to keep most places, except for the extreme northern counties, on the drier side for today. Tropical storm names. Well, our next one, if this system does develop, will be named Emily, and then following by that by Franklin. But we are getting closer into really where the season starts to ramp up. Temperatures for Thursday looking at 94 degrees for Orlando, 91 for Daytona, 90 for Tallahassee, and then heading down to the southern part of the state, 89 for Miami and 88 for Naples will be your highs. We do have an area of low pressure that'll be sitting across southeast Georgia. That's going to bring about 3 inches to the Big Bend area the next 5 days and 1 to 1.5 inches in Gainesville. And down in Miami, you're looking also a little bit more moisture, and that could bring 1 to 2 inches over the next 5 days.